We're here in Morgan County in northern Colorado, building this station. One of our board members approached us to install a station on his property here in Morgan County. And so we're here installing it today. This is relatively close to our headquarters at Bird Conservancy. We've got offices in Brighton and Fort Collins. And this is a great opportunity for many members of Bird Conservancy's staff to come and see a Motus station installed. So we've got people here from our education team and our stewardship team, and then those of us on the science team as well are here.
Bird Conservancy's mission is to conserve birds and their habitats through a combined approach of science, stewardship, and education. And on our science team, we believe that effective conservation can happen through the combination of when people have access to data and information, cutting-edge analyses, and co-produce science. The thing I like about our migratory ecology program and the Motus team is it embodies all of those components, blending science, stewardship, and education.
The Motus Wildlife Tracking System is a worldwide network of automated radio telemetry stations that researchers use to study the movement of animals. And the system, it's composed of tagged animals coupled with stations that are placed across a landscape. And researchers put tags on those animals and let them go. And as those animals move on their typical migratory routes or whatever movement they're doing, when they pass a station like this one that we're building here today, it's that animal is detected by that station. Bird Conservancy got into the Motus world in 2020, and we've been building stations across the Great Plains and Chihuahuan Desert ever since. Our goals with Motus are specifically to study the movement of grassland birds. Grassland birds are among the steepest declining guilds of birds, and it's important for us to know more about where they move, where they're going, what paths they use, what habitats they use during migration, and then tease apart some intra-seasonal movements that they do as well that are pretty interesting in order to be able to properly apply conservation efforts to these animals to properly conserve them. We've been building stations like this one across the landscape, and this one is close to our 100th station that we've built since the beginning of our efforts in 2020. So this station is one dot on the map. And, this station fills in a gap within the Motus network around here. And it's important that we fill in gaps like this so that we can build migratory paths, that we can, understand where these birds are moving in a greater detail.
Oh my God. Oh, there you go.
We would have heard them blink around on the highway.